everyone, we're going to find the limit as h approaches 0 of 1 divided by h times the integral from 1 to 1 plus 3h of x times log of x plus x squared times e to the power of x dx. Normally with these kind of problems we try to fit it into, in this case, this formula here, but it doesn't work. We are going to 0, that works, and our a is 1, but our x's here don't match. We have a 3h and an h. So we're going to have to fix that up and rewrite it. And one way to do it is we're going to let the indefinite integral of x times log of x plus x squared e to the power of x dx. That's going to be, let that be f of x. All right, and of course, if this is f of x, then f prime of x just equals this. So f prime of x is going to be x times log of x plus x squared times e to the power of x. Hope you can see that. So basically, it's just this inner function there. All right, so what we want to do now is use the definite integral, and this is from 1 to 1 plus 3h. So do this on this side as well. We'll evaluate this from 1 to, I'm going to move this down a little bit real quick. So this is f of x. And so we're going to evaluate it from 1 to 1 plus 3h. All right. And when you do that, this is going to be, using the fundamental theorem of calculus, this equals f of 1 plus 3h minus f of 1. So there's that. Now let's go back to our limit. So our limit is going to be, as h approaches 0, of all of this, which we already know is f of 1 plus 3h minus f of 1 divided by, and I'm going to multiply through my 1 divided by h. So the h goes here. All right. So that's how we're going to do our limit. The problem is, for us to get the derivative, remember our difference quotient, these two have to be the same. So what I'm going to do is multiply this by 3 so they're the same. So this has to be times 3. All right. And then when you do the limit, you're going to get, this is going to equal 3 times f prime of 1. All right. Because you have this 1 here. Now we have 3f prime of 1. So therefore we go back to our f of x here, and this will be f 3 prime of 1. So this is going to equal 3 times, and then you substitute in 1 for your x. So that's going to be log of 1 plus 1 squared times e to the power of x. All right. This is going to equal, this is 0. So you're going to get this equals 3e, and my x was a 1. I should have put a 1 here. So this will be a 1. So the answer is going to be 3e to the power of 1, or 3e. And that's the simplest way to do that one. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.